In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the E5 error code on your Canon Pixma printer. I am using the Canon Pixma E3370, but this solution works for most Canon Pixma models because the error codes are very similar. The E5 error is usually caused by a paper jam inside the printer, so we'll quickly check and clear it. Important steps. 1. Remove all paper from the input tray. Don't force paper in or out. 2. Check the paper guide. Slide set it correctly before inserting paper so it doesn't catch and tear pages. 3. Look inside the rear paper path. Check for torn paper pieces or anything stuck behind the slide. 4. Turn the printer around and inspect the back. Make sure nothing has fallen through or is blocking the rollers. 5. Open the front cover. Latch to access the printer interior. 6. Wait for the ink carriage to stop moving before touching anything inside. 7. Carefully inspect the inside for jammed or ripped paper and remove it slowly if found. 8. Be gentle with internal plastic parts. Avoid pulling hard or forcing components.